Alright, here I am at Mizou.com, M-I-Z-O-U.com, and you can sign in, you can create an account. I'm going to click on Go to My Account. You can also change the language. I have mine set to English right now. Here I'll go to my account. Once you're inside, you'll see your navigation pane on the left. It's going to start you off in Explore. Explore is a great place to start because you can see all these other bots that other teachers have made for their students and for their classes. So it can give you a starting point. It can help you understand how these bots can be used to help the students learn. And the next one, I'm going to go to My Chatbots. So inside of My Chatbots, one of the examples is to build a chatbot, and that's what I'm going to click on right there. When you click on Build a Chatbot, you get two options. One of them is AI generated, so you can provide the learning objectives, and Mizou can help create the prompt for you. I'm going to click on Custom so we can see how we make the prompt together. I'm going to start off by giving it a title. And next up, we're going to give it instructions or a prompt. When thinking of a prompt, I use this word create as an acronym, like a checklist for all the things that I need to include in my prompt. I have to have a task. In this case, the task will be to explain or help the Year 6 students understand science concepts. I'm going to include the audience, which is Year 6 students or 11-year-olds. Being specific about that can tailor the feedback so it's better understandable for that audience. I'm not going to include any examples in this prompt, but including examples can help the large language model give you more specific or more tailored output. I'm going to provide a role, so the role I think I'm giving this is a fun and friendly science helper. And then a context, any background information you can provide helps the large language model narrow down on exactly what output they should be giving. All right, my prompt is, you are a fun and friendly science expert. You will help students to understand the law of conservation of matter through physical and chemical changes. The students are 11 years old. Give multiple examples and explain concepts as analogies that are helpful for 11-year-old students. I'm going to choose a grade level. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to generate an image. As it's generating the image, I'm going to click on More Options here. You can give it a welcome message. And I'm going to, you can provide it with rules, so they give you some examples of rules that you could put in there. You could ask the conversation to be in a certain language. You could ask the responses to be longer or shorter. I think I'm going to use part of my prompt in there. I think I'm going to say, explain concepts with analogies that are helpful for 11-year-old students. I think that's a rule that I'll put in there. You can upload another knowledge source, so if you were reading a chapter in the science book or you had a PDF on physical and chemical changes that you wanted to upload, it would allow the science bot to draw off of that knowledge source, so that's helpful. You can change the audio from Emma to John. You can generate an image. This is an image for discovery as a short description for other users so they could use this one. and then choose a subject. And when you're all done, you can click on publish, and I'm going to make mine public and say confirm. And then you've created your first bot that you can share with other people. So you can click on the share button if you want to share it with other educators, or you can click on new session if you want to share this with your students. When you click on new session, you can test out the chatbot, make sure it's working the way you want it to, and if it is, you can click on launch. And you can invite students with this link or this QR code, and as they're interacting with the bot, it will keep a track of all the conversations, so you can go and see how the students are interacting with the bot and if it's helpful for their learning. So I hope this shows you how to create a bot in Mizou. Thanks for watching.